What is going on with swap rates and mortgage rates? Swap rates, if you don't know, determine mortgage rates. Even though base rate is currently 5.25%, swap rates in January were trading much lower. Swap rates determine lending costs for lenders to then lend on to borrowers, which is what happens with mortgages. At the start of the year, swap rates on a 5-year basis were 3.5%. Today, they're circa 4.2%. Recently, 5 major lenders have raised mortgage rates amidst uncertainty regarding the Bank of England's upcoming interest rate decision. NatWest, Barclays, Accord, Leeds and HSBC have all announced mortgage rate rises, citing concerns that interest rates may not decrease as much as anticipated this year. The swap rate obviously is now much higher than what it was in January, and with inflation data from the US not being in line with expectations, this has led to divided opinions among economic forecasters. The implication for UK interest rate is that some believe the UK's challenges warrant imminent base rate cuts. Others argue that the situation may not be in line with expectations. The London Stock Exchange continues to anticipate a rate cut in June and 2 more by the end of the year. What does this mean to you when you're looking to arrange your mortgage? Well, my advice earlier on in the year was to take advantage of the swap rates that existed in January. And I know, talking to many of you, you actually did this, and I'm pleased you have. For those that are still waiting, the best thing to do is to take advantage of what exists today. Most lenders have an opportunity to lock in on expiring fixed rates 6 months before they actually are due. What this means for you is that you can lock into rates that exist today, and if cheaper money becomes available during that 6-month process, with Consumer Duty, lenders have an obligation to offer you the cheaper money if it becomes available. My personal views is we might see a surprise cut in the May meeting of 0.25%. The majority of people don't expect this, but I feel that political pressure from the Conservatives may lead to seeing some sort of adjustment. This shouldn't be the case, as politics shouldn't interfere with the running of the Bank of England. As we all know, anything's possible in life, but I do think June is more likely, and with ever-growing concerns around the global world that we live in right now with wars, etc., we'll just have to wait and see what happens next.